Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show that how to install latest version Eclipse IDE for Java development and how to install in your Windows operating system. So let's start my video. For installing Eclipse IDE in your systems, you need to download setup file. First, I will show that how to download setup file. Then I will explain step by step how to install in your Windows operating system. Okay, let us start my video. Now I am searching here Eclipse IDE and after searching multiple websites are visible in this screen. I will click on the first website eclipse.org and here you could see that the Eclipse download options will be visible. Okay, simply click on it. When you click here you have two options, either 86 64 and RK64. You need to click on the 86 64. Okay, after clicking again you have two download buttons. Now again you need to click on it. After that your download will be started. Okay, I have already downloaded this file, so just cancel this. You need to complete this download and then execute install. You could see here I have already Eclipse setup files, so I just execute that file. Okay, after executing your setup files, here the Windows security pop-up window will be visible and you need to click on the yes button, so accept term and condition. Okay, after that setup file will be executed and you got the first time this interface. Okay, I will guide you step by step. Wait. Here you need to select on which purpose you want to install Eclipse IDE. Either you can select Eclipse IDE for Java developers or enterprise Java developers. If you want to use Eclipse IDE for C++ developers, you could select here third and fourth options if you want to embedded system. If you want to use Java for core and advanced both, then you need to select second options. If you want to use only for core Java development, just select first Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, I want to both, so I am selecting here second options. After that, here you could see that automatically JDK latest version will be selected and installation folders will be selected. No need to change anything, just click on the install button and installation will be started. Wait some time. When this installation will be completed, I will show that how to open Eclipse IDE and execute first Java program in your Eclipse IDE. Anyway, if you already know how to execute Java programs in Eclipse IDE, you can leave here. So finally installations is completed. Okay, now click on the launch button to open Eclipse IDE and then I will show that how to execute first Java programs in Eclipse 2015 and 9 latest versions. Okay, click on the launch button. Whenever you are using any IDE, you need to create project and then execute programs. You cannot execute program like Notepads or Visual Studio, because whenever you are using Eclipse IDE, IntelliJ IDE, or maybe NetBeans IDE, you need to create a Java project, then only you are able to execute programs here. You know, simply click on the processed button and then click on the create Java programs, Java projects. Okay, create a Java project. Otherwise you need to click on the file, then click here. Simply write the project name. I will write here CWS, and then simply click on the finish buttons. After that, a new project will be created, which will show on the IDE left side. On the left side, click on arrow buttons, then select SRC, click on the right click, and then click new and create a simple Java classes. Here write any class name. If you want to create main method on that class, check it, otherwise uncheck it and click on the finish button. I want here, that's why I am checked. And whatever programs you want to write in Java programs, you can write here and execute that programs. Simply here I am writing hello world, and simply click on the run button to execute this. You could see there output will be visual. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.